What is Stoicism? Stoicism is the ancient philosophy used by Roman emperors and warriors to stay calm under pressure and master their emotions. Its core idea? Control what you can, ignore what you can't. People yell, stress, complain. You can't control them, but how you respond? That's where your power lies. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Pain often comes from how we think, not what actually happens. The Stoics practiced discipline, clarity, and daily reflection, so no insult, loss, or failure could shake them. Marcus Aurelius journaled every night. Epictetus said, "No man is free unless he masters himself." Stoicism isn't being cold. It's choosing peace over panic, focus over feelings. If you want mental strength, emotional control, and inner peace, learn Stoicism. Live it daily. If mastering your mind matters to you, subscribe. And remember, no one can control you unless you let them.